how to upload photos on Instagram from PC. So if you want to upload your photos on your Instagram, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And on the search bar you can simply search for instagram.com. And after searching, it will directly take you to the Instagram web page, and then you can log into your account. And after logging in, on the left side you will have a bunch of options. So if you want to upload photos or videos from your laptop or PC, then you can simply go to create option, and then you will have an option which says select from computer. Click on that, and then it will take you to the images or the pictures from your laptop. So you can simply choose any one of the photos that you would like to upload, and after choosing, click on open, and now you can simply resize your photo. You can also drag your photo, like which part of the photo you like to upload, and after choosing that, you can go to next, which is on the upper right corner. And now you can add some filters to your photo. And after adding filters, you can also do some adjustments. So you can adjust the brightness or the contrast, fade, saturation, temperature, and vintage. You can simply adjust all of these, and after editing your photo, you can go to next, which is on the upper right corner. And from here, you can simply write a caption to your photo. And if you want to tag someone, then you will have click photo to tag people. You can simply click on the photo, and then you can search for the person whom you would like to tag, and then you can simply tag that person. So here, after writing some caption, you can add a location to your photo, or you can also go to advanced settings, and then you can simply hide the like and view counts on this post, or you can also turn off commenting on this post. So you can do these advanced settings, and after doing all of that, you can simply go to share, which is on the upper right corner. And that's it. That's how you upload your photos or videos from your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.